in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ellis County in north central Texas, north central Hill County in north central Texas, until 8 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Itasca, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Carl's Corner around 7:05 p.m., Italy and Maple around 7:45 p.m. This will impact Interstate 35 east between mile markers 371 and 394. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. And now the short-term forecast. Scattered showers and thunder.